Testing if my fidgets float or sink in my pool. First is this cat dimple. It floats. Wait, let's try the other side. It still floats. Floating pile. Next is this really pretty snapper. Oh my gosh, it sinks. Oh my gosh, guys, it's all the way at the bottom. Next is this simple dimple.
Guys, I don't know how
It floats. This baby monkey noodle floats. Floating pile. This one-piece simple dimple floats. This fries dimple, it floats. Let's try the other side. It floats. Floating pile. This pop tube floats. Floating pile. This blueberry Orbeez stress ball. Oh my gosh, guys, it sunk. Oh wait, no, it floats. This blue avocado dimple. It floats. Floating pile. This spinning dimple digit. It floats. This banana Orbeez stress ball. It floats. Floating pile. This orange stress ball. It floats. Okay, I took the actual orange stress ball out, so let's see if it floats or sinks. It floats. These both float. This moon dimple. It floats again. So far, they all float. This rubber symbol dimple. Oh my gosh, it sinks. I can't get it. This spaceship dimple. It floats. This pop-it bracelet. Oh my gosh, it sinks. This last glow-in-the-dark triple dimple. It sinks. Oh, over here.